Hey y'all, I was just out here running the mill and sat down to take a break and watch some videos. And I got to tell you about a video I just watched. Man, I should remember the channel it was. I'll try to remember to put his channel link in the descriptions. But anyway, he made a video about burning stumps out. And it's a good video. He did a good job explaining it, and I don't want to rag on him or nothing else like that. I don't believe in ragging on other people's channels and tell them everything that they're doing wrong and stuff. But I thought I should, on something like this here, clarify to people the hazards that can come from that. By the way, no, this is not alcohol. It's just straight tea. But it tastes good. But anyway, on burning stumps out, folks, I have done it, and it's pretty effective if you have the time just to keep on adding more debris to it and stuff. Best if they're dead a couple of years and they ain't got the shoots growing on out, like he pointed on out. But in the right conditions, what can happen is you can develop a root fire. A root fire can burn for months underground, not surfacing, and you'll never know it's there. And it can travel for hundreds of yards underground before it will resurface and start a forest fire. So anybody that might be considering saying, oh, you know what, I can burn this tree on out, consider that. You know, what can happen. It's a real danger that can happen. Does it happen very often? No, it doesn't, but it can. So what I'm going to suggest that before anybody does that, talk to your local Forest Service. Find out what they have to say about it. Also check your soil. A large part of the problem in problems where that hazard comes into play is they have a lot of organic material in the soil that's if it's dry, it's just right for the tinder to keep that root burning. And so that when it gets into that root, it goes over to another tree root, and to another, and to another, and through that all that tinder, and all of a sudden eventually hits that right spot where it just hits the surface, and boom, you got yourself a forest fire. So anyway, I don't want to be a naysayer to this channel. I don't want to, say he's got bad information, this and that, but I want people to be educated before they try to burn their stumps and start a forest fire, because quite honestly, if you start a forest fire, you are liable for the cost of it. Y'all have a good one. Y'all come back now. Yeah? Bye. Oh, now I gotta end this.